Hey everybody, Miranda Dressler here, attorney with the law offices of Bridget, Mackay in Petaluma, California. And we practice in the areas of estate planning and elder law. And today is the fourth part in my 8-part series on typical mistakes that clients make after they get their estate plan done that wind up really destroying the estate plan. And so the fourth mistake is acquiring assets that completely bypass your estate plan. Because some assets really have their own built-in estate plan. Things like life insurance policies, IRAs or 401ks and annuities. And these assets have their own built-in estate plan because these are types of assets where you have the ability to name a beneficiary who will receive that asset on your death. And what most people end up doing is naming individual beneficiaries for these assets. So for example, you could name your 2 kids as beneficiaries. So then upon your death, those 2 kids really are going to receive a windfall of cash. But what if you had set up your estate plan to provide restrictions on the inheritances of your children? Maybe you had, one child who is not good with money and has creditors. Maybe you wanted to provide your other child with divorce protection because you didn't like their spouse. Well, if you just named your children as individuals on these types of assets, it bypasses that plan. Your estate plan, where you've really put a lot of thought into how you want your children to receive their inheritances, is going to have no control over that money. And so this happens a lot after people get their estate plan done. They continue to acquire assets, and they acquire assets that end up bypassing their plan. And so really the solution would be to name, instead of individuals as beneficiaries, name your living trust as the beneficiary of these assets. Now, this is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and not every single person should name their trust as a beneficiary, but it's something that you want to sit down with your estate planning attorney and have a discussion about. So if you have any questions about this topic or any other estate planning topic, you should contact an experienced estate planning attorney in your area. Thank you.